Good morning. I'm Lois Carrier, Certified Financial Planner. If you find yourself over your head in debt, whether it's for valid reasons such as medical expenses or overspending, you may be thinking of debt consolidation. Now, debt consolidation is just simply a way of finding a way to put all your debts into one basket so you only make one payment per month to one creditor. Now, there are basically two ways for you to consolidate debts. One is through debt agencies, and the other is doing it yourself. Today we're going to talk about debt agencies. If you choose to work with an agency, there are two types of agencies. There's non-profit agencies, and then there's agencies that you pay for the services. Now, I'm constantly seeing ads on television advertising debt consolidation services. If you use a for-profit organization, that means that you will pay the agency a fee for their help. Now, very carefully read the agreement and know what fee or fees are to be paid. Sometimes they're hidden. And also compare the cost of several agencies. Don't just look at one, compare several. And then this is something I wasn't aware of. Be aware of online debt consolidation scams. They're everywhere. If a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Now, before using the services of an online debt consolidation company, check the background of that company very carefully. Check with your state attorney general's office just to make sure that the company is even registered to do business in your state. This has been a problem. Also, find out if the company has any complaints filed through it through Better Business Bureau. So check online also for the top consumer reviews before choosing a company. There's lots of information there about how people have handled this. Now, if you look into a not-for-profit debt consolidation institutions, be careful again. Number one, ask for proof for their nonprofit 501c3 status before doing business with them. A lot of them are not-for-profit. And also, some not-for-profit organizations use religious affiliations in their names. Be careful. Don't be swayed by that claim. Check them out. Compare their services to other nonprofit organizations you're looking at. True nonprofits will have a minimum fee and monthly fees, but they will be fully disclosed. Now, also be aware of companies that advertise voluntary fees. They're not for profit, and they say, well, we don't charge anything, but you can, if you want to give a contribution, you can. Many times they force these continuous voluntary contributions, or they're vague about their fees. So don't use anyone like that. So just beware of agencies which don't spend enough time with you personally to know your situation. You have to spend time with someone to know what to tell them to do. I've always had pretty good luck with the National Foundation for Credit Counseling. It's a nonprofit community organization, and I know for a fact they spend at least an hour in person or on the phone with you to help determine if you need consolidation. So use a firm that spends time with you reviewing your finances. Again, check with the Better Business Bureau for entities you're considering their help. Debt consolidation is very important, but number one, you can also have to make sure that you stop spending money once you get some consolidated on your debts. I can't talk this morning. So those are some tips I hope will be helpful for debt consolidation. Thank you.